Hey YouTube, what's going on? This is Dan, Permaculture Food Forest. Alright, in this video, I'm going to be harvesting some sweet potatoes. And they planted these sweet potatoes maybe like in November. This is November, December, January, February, March, April. So it's actually 6 months ago. So the reason I do that because I want to plant some new slips, you know, and I want these slips that once I plant these I would be able to have sweet potato in the ending part of the year. So I'm going to do that now that I could have, you know, plant more the ending part of the year. Alright, so let's head over to the sweet potato bed, see what we got. Let's go. Yeah, YouTube, so this is the sweet potato bed I'm going to be harvesting. So as I mentioned before, I'm going to harvest now that I could actually plant new ones that could grow until the end of the year. Alright, so let's see what we got here going, okay? Real good harvest. Nematodes. Wow, look. Alright guys, this is it. This is my sweet potato harvest. These are some good size. Yeah. There's some is a little bit small, but it's good. It's call this a very good harvest. It feels like about 20 pounds. Yeah, I'll show you guys. Like 20 pounds of, yeah, sweet potato. That's good. Yeah, I consider this a total success. All right. Hey YouTube, what's up? So, this is my sweet potato harvest. As I told you before, you know, I'm harvesting these because I want to plant new slips that I could have more sweet potato in November. Alright? So, you know, I got about like, what, 20 pounds of sweet potato here. I got one of the purple skin. Purple skin with a white inside, and these are the yellow inside. Yeah. So nice. Feel proud of myself. Look what I grew. 110% organic. Yeah guys, so you know, it's not getting these slips, putting them in water, new slips from what I just cut. So these gonna put roots in probably a week. Yeah, and then I'm gonna put them right back in that bed. Yep. I know you could put these directly in the ground too. I prefer let them get some roots first. Yep. When it have roots, I know it's a sure, you know, potato that will be. All right, so that's it. And I got some more here. I did the same thing. So I'm going to plant in some more potato, and then the next harvest of potato you'll see is in November. Yeah, so it's like, you know, I push that limit that I'm able to grow, you know, grow stuff 12 months of the year. And I always say, if you live in warmer states, try it, you know. Or, you know, sometimes we follow the traditional way. Everybody, you know, every zone is going to be different. When I just started gardening, I was watching videos and stuff like that. And I'm like, I was actually following the way colder states were growing. I was new to the, you know, the gardening stuff in 2018. So I was like, you know, following what I'm watching, you know, people that live in colder states, you know, following the way they were growing. I was like, no, definitely that's not the way I should be growing, because we have different climate, different environment, different soil type, you know, so why not just look at the conditions, look at your environment, you know, study nature. And that's what I did. I studied nature and said to myself, listen, I'm going to plant my sweet potato at this time of the year, yeah, and bring my puppy over there, you know, and for that I actually get, it seems like I get, it's like 15 to 18 pounds of, you know, potatoes, you know, and I'm actually really proud of myself for, you know, getting that kind of harvest. So listen, don't always follow the traditional way of stuff. Step outside of the box and just try, do your own thing and see what works for you, you know, and you'll be surprised. You can probably get results that you never really expect to get. All right, so thank you again for watching, you know, and my sweet, I just put them in the garage and I let them cure for, you know, a few weeks, maybe 2 weeks or something like that. I don't remember how long you should cure, but I'll research that. All right, so thank you for watching. Have a great day.